Hari Niwas has always opened its doors. Apart from Runway Diaries, Hari Niwas has also Jammu ke liye khule hain. And for the talent of Jammu and for the growth of remains Hari Niwas. This year it was meant to be Hari Niwas, but the weather turned very hot, so we had to change the venue. But having said
एक्चुअली मेरा आई एम फाउंडर ऑफ बी क्लासिकल beauty. मैम से मैं काफ़ी सामने है. शी इज़ वेरी वेरी ग्रेसफुल लेडी. तो मैम को मैं बहुत बार कहा है.
मैं राहत सिंह मिस JNK पहला. मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया करती हूँ आप सबका यहाँ पे पहले प्रेजेंट होने के लिए, मीडिया का.
So just a fun question, and we'll just check if you want given a chance to change the name of Jammu, what do you think?
थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू फॉर द लवली क्वेश्चन. आप सब
कि मैं अपनी जम्मू को वापस क्या कर सकती हूँ. तो मैं जम्मू की उन लड़कियों को एक कॉन्फिडेंस देना चाहूँगी. अभी आप देखेंगे आई एम द शॉर्टेस्ट अमंग ऑल.
and celebrations. What is the other word? Congratulations and celebrations.
Ding, na, 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 na.
Deva, and a very, very warm welcome to Dev Rishi, who has been the pioneer for this wonderful event. First time ever in JNK. Danya Cree has been quite a pioneer as far as promoting a lot of the region's talent. He has actually been taking on many projects. The first project that I was very, very impressed by when we attended his first fashion week. I was very, very impressed at the level of perfectionism and professionalism that Dev Rishi brought forward for Jammu. It was the first time that both Ankita and myself, Ankita is with me here, we also have a wonderful force in Jammu Kashmir. So I told him, I said, Dev, इसके लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, but इस चीज़ में मैंने देखा है कि Dev Rishi is an extremely hard-working and a very committed person. He is also actually changing the fashion map and the scale of talent of Jammu Kashmir very steadily, and Runway Diaries is always happy to extend their support for such causes, and particularly because we have been associated right from the day one when we went for Fashion Week. I have with me our entire team from Runway Diaries. Would really like to congratulate him on this very successful event that he has had recently. I have with me Ankita Bansal also, who's right here, and we had Vinita Thakurji from NIFT, also part of Runway Diaries. She was part of the contest and she was very much there. We also had Sonali Dogra, who was singing live there. She's also part of Runway Diaries. We also had Amar Chauhan compare the show. She is not here today. They're all busy with engagements. But like that, we also have a lot of designers who we are going to be working with very closely, Dev and myself. And I want to really congratulate all the wonderful contestants. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई जब देव ऋषि ने मुझे पहले बार क्राउन्स दिखाए. तो पहला इरादा था कि हम क्राउन्स को भी यहीं पे अनवेल करने वाले थे, बट आई हैड अ मिस अप इन माय फैमिली एंड देयर वाज अ ट्रेजेडी इन द फैमिली, सो आई हैड टू नॉट बी प्रेजेंट. बट मेरा दिल और सब कुछ देव के साथ था. मेरे प्रार्थना भी देव के साथ, दान्या क्री के साथ था, and with all you beautiful people, the contestants. I'm so happy to see the runners up and the finalists of Miss JNK, Mrs. JNK and Mr. JNK. Some of the contestants haven't been able to join us this afternoon because they are traveling and they had prior commitments. I'd also like to congratulate all the sponsors जिन्होंने साथ दिया ऐसे causes के लिए. और मैं जम्मू वासियों को और भी एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे जैसे हमारे यंगस्टर्स आगे आ रहे हैं एंड इतने अच्छे चीज़ें लेके आ रहे हैं, प्लीज़ इट इज़ माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट कि आप इनको सपोर्ट करें, whether in forms of sponsorship, CSR और even in kind. Please come forward क्योंकि ये बहुत मेहनत लगता है and it's the first time ever. So please, I really encourage the whole of Jammu to take pride in all the events that happen here in our state, particularly with people like ourselves who are, in a way, we are startups. We're starting to kind of change the demography of this place, putting it on that global map. And also for all our contestants, ये बहुत ही encouraging होता है जब मीडिया, हम आपके बहुत शुक्रगुजार करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि आपके माध्यम से ये मैसेज जाता है पब्लिक को और आपने हमेशा सपोर्ट किया है और उसके लिए हम बहुत बहुत शुक्राना करना चाहते हैं आप सबके, बिकॉज आप ही कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हो ये सारे न्यूज़ and you have always supported our causes and we are really grateful for that. I would like to also start this morning by felicitating our wonderful, first of all I'd like to give my heartiest congratulations to Dev Rishi, who has been pretty much the founder of Danyakri and the founder of this event. He took it forward very well. It's I would say मेरी किस्मत अच्छी है कि ये young बच्चे have always treated me like a mother figure, and I am always there to hold the hand hold, support. यहाँ पे we were the hospitality partner. Hari Niwas has always opened its doors. Apart from Runway Diaries, Hari Niwas has also हमेशा एक घर है सबके लिए, and इस घर के दरवाजे जम्मू के लिए खुले हैं. And for the talent of Jammu and for the growth of Jammu, I want to say ये एक घर है जिसके दरवाजे अब सबके लिए खुले. It's open for all of you, and I want you to know it's your home away from home. हमारे दादा और परदादों ने हमेशा टैलेंट को प्रमोट किया था, and I'm just carrying that baton forward, and my family is carrying that baton forward. So मेहमान नवाजी हमारे पुश्तों से आ रहा है, and I want to say that for us Atiti Devo Bhavo. So our guests are our gods, and thank you for considering Hari Niwas your home and for feeling comfortable. We welcome you with our open arms and our hearts, and we are always there for you. Let's hope the next one of the grander scale, the venue also remains Hari Niwas. This year it was meant to be Hari Niwas, but the weather turned very hot, so we had to change the venue. But having said that, I would like to promote every place of Jammu. Every place has its own beauty and charm, but Hari Niwas still remains the preferred choice, as it is the most iconic site. It holds history. This again is history in the making. So हमने history, आप लोगों ने history create किया है. First time ever ऐसे event हुआ है जम्मू में. So I'm really happy you have come back here to do a kind of finale of this beautiful event. So with that, I'd like to start our felicitations, and really I would like to thank everybody.